Hey, this is Brandon, and you're watching Mathroom, the show where I do math on different mirrors around my house. No, it's not my only hat. Today we're going to be talking about deductive reasoning. You may be familiar with deductive reasoning if you've watched any of the Sherlock Holmes movies, or maybe you've read the Sherlock Holmes books, or maybe you've seen the Sherlock series on Netflix, or maybe you watched the one with Will Ferrell, or maybe you saw the one with gnomes. That's a lot of Sherlock. Regardless, let's look at deductive reasoning and how it works. Deductive reasoning is a form of logic that uses a series of truth statements that you follow the logic along the way, and as you follow the logic, you will reach one final conclusion. Sometimes you see this in the form of like Clue or Murder Mystery. In this case, I have an example where you're given sets of numbers and you have to find an answer. And it says, open the lock and save the world. And I don't know if we're going to save the world, but we are definitely going to kill some time. Okay, so I copied these numbers down and I want to very quickly go through how deductive reasoning works. I think the most helpful thing you can do is try to eliminate everything you can at first, because we're looking for a combination of these three numbers that's going to be the answer. And we're told, first of all, that 738 all digits are wrong. So that's our first opportunity to eliminate numbers. So we can get rid of 7, 3, and 8, not just here, but in all of these possible combinations. So 3 is gone, 8 is gone, 8 is gone, not 6. We're going to keep the 6. So 7, 3, and 8. Make sure all those are gone. 3, 8, 8. Okay, good. So now we've eliminated 7, 3, and 8 from all of these possible combinations. Now how do we figure out what other numbers are left? Well, the first clue says that one digit is right and in its place. The second clue says one digit is wrong but is not in the right place. Now, one digit is right, but it's in the wrong place, rather. So you might be tempted to think that 6 is the correct number because it says right number, right number. But this one says it's in the right place, this one says it's in the wrong place, which means that 6 cannot both be in the right place and in the wrong place, which means that 6 is eliminated as well. And it also means that we can get rid of 2. Or sorry, we can get rid of 6 down here. So if we have gotten rid of 6 down here, this is a helpful one because this clue tells us that 2 digits are right, but they are in the wrong place, which means that 2 and 0 are 2 of our correct numbers. So now we just need to figure out what the final number is. And we have 2 more possibilities. Well, we're told here that this one is right number, right place, so we actually do know that 2 is going to be that third digit because 2 is the right number and the right place. It's the only one that's left. Also, on 380, we're told that it is the right number, but wrong place. So 0 cannot be the last number, and we know that already. Can 0 be the second number? 206 says two digits are right, but both are in the wrong place. So 0 cannot be here, 0 cannot be here, which means that 0 must be our first number. Now we just need to figure out what the final number is, and it's going to be between 1 and 4, because we've used that, and we've used that. And I don't think we're going to double up on any of these numbers. So let's look at clue 614. It says one digit is right, but it is in the wrong place. So we want to see so we're looking for the middle number, and the middle number here is 1, and if 1 is the right number but in the wrong place, it cannot go in our middle slot, which means that 1 is eliminated, leaving us with just 4. So our final answer is going to be 0, 4, 2, and we're able to figure that out through deductive reasoning. Thanks for learning some math with me. I hope it was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos in the future, and I'll catch you next time.